Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove pimple redness fast and easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 5 easy, quick things that you can do to remove and reduce the redness of a pimple that you have. I've used these methods my whole life, and to be honest with you, a lot of them are generally healthy things to do anyways, so they'll be more likely to reduce the number of pimples that you get and the number of red pimples that you get in the future as well. I'm at the point in my life, I'm in my mid-30s now. I'm 35 years old, right in the middle between 30 and 40 at the time of filming this video. And I'm at the point in my life where I get a pimple every once in a while, right? But when I was younger, I got lots of pimples. They were really red, and I used these methods, and they worked really well. So let's get right into the methods, okay? I'm not going to waste any more time. Method number 1 is wash the skin gently. So let's say you have a pimple right over here, which is typically a place that people get them, right? Wash your skin very gently. Don't be aggressive with it. It's going to make the skin more inflamed. Wash the skin, cleanse the skin, but do it gently so you can hopefully reduce that inflammation and reduce that redness, that irritation, okay? So wash your skin. You don't need a cleanser. You can honestly just use soap and water. I would recommend using soap and water if you're trying to reduce the redness of the pimple, because if you use a cleanser, your skin might react to it. You never know. So just use soap, just plain, like, you know, like bathing soap. I don't know, like Dove. I use Dove soap, right? Whatever kind of soap you use, just use soap and water, okay? To wash the skin gently of the area that the pimple is on, okay, where the pimple is. Number 2 is put ice on the red pimple area. So get some ice, put it on the red pimple area. What that's going to do is that's going to reduce the inflammation. Pimples are oftentimes red, or the area around the pimples is red, because of the inflammation. The skin is inflamed, the skin is irritated. Putting ice on it will reduce inflammation. You know, when you get a bump somewhere, you put ice on it, same thing with the pimple. It is a temporary solution. It is temporary, the results of it, but it will work, okay? Put ice on it, and if you're gonna be going somewhere for a long time and you wanna keep that redness off, then put ice every once in a while. Like, try and maybe get an ice pack and put the ice pack on it every hour, if you can, for just a couple minutes. That will keep the redness down, okay? You might have to sneak away to do it, but you know, that'll keep the redness down. Number 3 is sweat a bit. If you have time, work out. Honestly, just getting a little bit of sweat to come out of your pores where the pimple area is will definitely do a great number in reducing the redness, because you are releasing any built up liquid from there. Okay, so obviously, other than like the pus that's in the pimple, right? If there's any sweat glands that are there, you know, you're going to release them, and it's going to do a good job of hopefully reducing the redness. And generally speaking, if you sweat often, it's going to do a great job at also just really making sure your pimples aren't red whenever you get them. So it'll do a general good job of reducing redness in the future as well. Okay, number 4, put a cold slice of cucumber on the area. Now, cucumber has certain things in it. I won't go into the scientific details, but it has certain things in it that are geared towards reducing inflammation, which is oftentimes why when you go to a spa, they'll put like cucumbers on your eyes, because it helps to reduce the inflammation of the bags under your eyes, of the dark spots under your eyes. But putting a cool slice of cucumber on the pimple will do the same thing with the pimple. It'll reduce the inflammation, therefore hopefully bringing the redness down. Last but not least, number 5, which is use makeup. So obviously, you know, you can put some makeup on it. I'm not a makeup expert, so you can put whatever you're going to put on it. I guess concealer to conceal, right, the redness. Put a little bit of makeup, but don't make it obvious. And obviously, if you just use a little bit of makeup there, it might be more noticeable than if you use makeup on your whole face. So, you know, generally speaking, you probably should use makeup in a larger area, not just on the pimple, but maybe either a larger area around it to blend it in, or even just use makeup on your whole face. Just get all, you know, get all geared up, get all, put your makeup on, dolled up. That's the word I'm looking for. And that's essentially it. That is how to remove pimple redness fast and easily, a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.